I have been telling people that the job market is worse than it was in 2008, and I've had people fight me in the comments here saying, what are you talking about? It's low unemployment rate. Wrong. In fact, check this out. In February, we had the highest amount of layoffs we've had since 2009, the Great Recession of 2009. We are up 9% over this time last year. And we had a massive amount of layoffs last year of very high-level, high-paying jobs that pay mortgages and support families. Wiped out, decimated. And it's continuing this year. If you don't believe me that that data is wrong, you need to dig deeper, because AI is wiping out lots of jobs that are never going to come back. That is the truth. And people have their head in the sand, ostrich effect about this. And you might think, oh, technology will never touch my job. It will, folks. Technology touches every industry. And so if you aren't looking at the ways in which AI will impact your industry, and then therefore change the workload and potentially change your workload, you could lose out. I just got not one, but two media inquiries, one of them being Business Insider, asking me, why are companies having such a hard time finding AI talent? And it's because the biggest companies have scoffed up the people that have the limited amount of experience in AI. There's not enough people out there with AI experience. And the companies that can afford it, that have the best technology, are getting those people. And so we have a skills gap in the AI area. The sooner you start to figure out how AI is going to impact your job, the better, because this stuff is not going away. This is the fourth industrial revolution hitting hard. Things are getting automated. AI is taking over. People are losing their jobs and not able to find new ones. Pay scales are being rebranded. Companies are lowering their pay scales. It is getting ugly out there. And you need to be able to compete. So those of you that are just gonna complain about it in the comments or blame me, I'm just the messenger. What I can do is tell you this. When you're competing for jobs, you gotta level up. In this kind of market, you gotta make sure that you're doing all the right things so you don't get ghosted. If you're getting ghosted, then your game is not good enough. You gotta take your game up a notch. And that's why I'm on this app trying to share as much job search advice as I can, because I get it. My goal is to try to help 10 million of you get new, better paying jobs, because it is bad out there. So if this made sense, follow me. It's free to follow me here, and post your question. More importantly, that's what I want you to do, because I'm answering questions every single day on this app, trying to give people a fighting chance against this kind of stuff. This is huge. Nobody's talking about it. They don't want you to know about it. It's bad. And you can keep your head in the sand and ignore it like a paper cut until it gets infected, or you can lean into it right now, because it is what it is, folks. Life isn't fair. This is our reality. Let's do something about it. We can figure this out for you together. Every single day, I'm helping people get new, better paying jobs. Every single day, people are commenting, JT, I got the job. There are jobs out there, but the competition is fierce, and you need to be better. You need to do better, okay? All right, post your questions. Good luck. Go get it.